Welcome to our Tandem Travel Serko Zeno tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to manage your booking using the Serko Zeno online tool. To begin, visit the Tandem Travel website and click Customer Sign In. Then choose Serko Zeno. The login screen will open in a new window. Sign in with your email and password, or if your company has single sign-on capability, this can be set up separately for you. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard, which holds your key travel details, bookings, messages, and upcoming trips. From here, you can manage traveller profiles, link Serko expense if applicable, make a booking, request help, or contact our team. To create a new booking, use the left-hand navigation or dashboard widget. Select your traveller or travellers by name or email. You can book up to 9 people, as long as they're travelling under the same cost centre. Click Apply, then choose your travel components: fly, stay, transfer or drive, or a combination of these. Let's start by booking flights. Your departure point defaults to your home port, or you can choose a recent destination. Set your departure date and time. You can select an unlimited number of destinations on a single booking until you return to your point of origin. Or you can use the Going Home shortcut to set your return destination to your home port. Click to select a different travel time if needed. Then choose your return or onward destination. If your profile lacks a home airport, Zeno will prompt you to enter one. For complex or international trips, switch to manual mode and use Zeno's advanced international features to easily manage multi-stop itineraries. Your default cost centre appears here, and this determines the approver. You can change it if needed. Zeno then builds your itinerary, adding components like transfers or hotels based on your plans. Click Continue to Itinerary. Zeno's AI learns from your past travel and company policy to offer smart suggestions. The more you use it, the better Zeno becomes at recommending options that suit you. Results from all modes of travel are merged into a single connected itinerary, simplifying and speeding up the booking process. The options you see for flights, hotels and car hire are customized to your company's guidelines. If these appear limited, it's to align with your organization's travel policy. Tandem works closely with your business to align Zeno with these policies. Use the jump list at the top to go back and make changes anytime. Zeno shows recommended options, but you can adjust them, for example, to save costs or suit your timing better. You can view results in a list or grid. Zeno remembers your preference. Zeno recommends rental cars filtered according to your company's travel policy. Use filters like class or transmission and check depot hours. Next, scroll to hotels. These are based on your past bookings. To change location, you can enter an address, use the map, or filter by office location. Use filters and reviews to compare options easily. Zeno's integrated Blue Halo technology helps you make more sustainable travel choices without slowing you down. You can view estimated carbon emissions for flights and hotels, filter rental cars by electric or hybrid options, and compare options based on environmental impact, all from within the booking tool. Once your return flight and transfer details are confirmed, click Continue to Extras. Zeno checks fare availability in real time. Add extras like baggage and seats. When done, hit OK. Want to speed things up? Use Express Checkout to confirm your booking in under 2 minutes. Then continue to review your trip details on the confirmation page. Double-check payment methods for each component and make any updates. Add special requests or missing information here. If approvals are required, choose an authorizer. Expand the Rules and Conditions section if you want to review the rules for each component of your booking. Once everything looks good, click Book to complete your trip. When you see this message, your trip is booked, but you can still modify or add components. If your travel plans change, Zeno's premium online changes functionality lets you make multiple edits to all fare types for domestic and short-haul flights, online or in the mobile app, 24/7. Together, Tandem and Zeno are continually evolving to support smarter, more sustainable business travel, from self-service, itinerary changes, and streamlined international bookings, to helping you reduce your carbon footprint with features like Mission Zero. If you need help, click the question mark for Zeno's knowledge base or AI-powered Zeno bot for quick, accurate answers. It's accessible and responsive across all devices. And if you would like personal support, your account manager is here to help, or email us at aklsupport@tandemtravel.co.nz.